In today's video, I'm going to show you how to translate your PDF file to Word or how to convert PDF to Word. First, just paste on Google convert PDF to Word. So you can find lots of websites. So I highly recommend you for. And this is a small PDF, and I love PDFs. So those two websites are fantastic. Example purpose, I import a PDF file. It's maybe Arabic language. So I want to translate it word. Right now, just you can see it's already converted. So if I click on export or download, so if you want to download its export as PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, image, etc. Then click on download. So you can see how I convert a document PDF to Word. It's simple using free methods. So if you have found this video helpful for me, make sure like and subscribe this channel so you can take care. Bye.